Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a comparison between these two clamps. So this is the IRWIN 6-inch bar clamp, and here is the TOLESA. This is the 7-inch spring clamp. Now this spring is really hard to open, and it's going to really give you a nice firm grip on whatever you need to put it on. Very quick, very easy to use. The bar clamps are also easy to use. This is the release button, so put it wherever you need to. And then when you want to clamp something like two pieces of wood together, you're just going to ratchet this down and you can get a really nice tight grip with that. And then when you want to release it, press this button again and it releases. All right, dimensions, you can fit, this is the 6-inch bar clamp. You can fit about 6 3/4. Overall, the tool is about 13 inches. Now the spring clamp is a little harder. Okay, so I've got it held open. You can fit about 2.5 inches in there. And again, this is a 7-inch spring clamp because the tool is overall 7 inches long. Nice and thick, big spring, quick and easy to use. I hope this video helped. Thanks everybody for watching.